Yeah, so this morning we're off, we're going to walk down into the town. I saw this cruise ship last night. There were actually more cruise ships moored up here last night. Another one's gone from here. But all along here are moorings for cruise ships. Yeah, they're a bit bigger than those Norfolk Broad boats, aren't they?
Just a bit, yeah.
Yep.
Swanage. London is that way.
Swanage? Swanage,
yeah,
and London. Okay.
London, yeah.
It's a bit random, isn't it? Amazes me when you find a Scottish pub. The Doodle Sack. You see German alien.
Alien to be open there.
Wednesday is open 2:30 to 6:30.
All right.
Yeah.
No? Yeah. Come on then.
Barber shop. Bobby, got your bag.
Yeah, carry your stuff in.
We were wondering why it said Swanage on the sign earlier. It's obviously twinned with Swanage Dorset on the town hall here. Steins and lots of little streets and everything here. I mean, there's a beautiful old church here as well, which you can see for miles around. We're looking for somewhere to eat. A Klunk der Klunk Hardsoff. 1500. In the same family since 1906. The same family, I can't remember. Hardsoff, patrician building about 1500. Many secular clerical dignitaries descend from this family. Among them, an abbot of the monastery Eibenbach, Rhein. Okay.
It's a really old building, isn't it?
Yeah.
I think that's you, Trev.
Almost as good, isn't it?
Zimmerfrei. It's always good if it's Zimmerfrei, isn't it? Vinotech Drosselgasse. Interesting shops here. Wonderful, isn't it?
Yeah.
Drosselgasse. Giant tortoise.
Oh no, we can't afford to go in there, can we?
Oh yeah, up there. Yeah. That reminds you of someone on...
No, it reminds me of
the one on the left?
Yeah, but I can't think who. No. This is lovely. Choice of tables, where would you like to sit?
Where do you want to? Anyway? Over here?
Yeah, let's do that.
Well, my GoPro has completely died on me. It's dead. Killed it. They're happy anyway.
Yeah, we're very happy.
Yeah.
We haven't even started yet. Cheers, everyone.
Cheers.
We all didn't take a picture of us raising the glasses, Bob.
Cheers.
Yes.
There we go.
Didn't go that way.
There we go. That looks lovely.
What's the size of this plate of pasta?
Yeah, we had some Riesling as well. And you've got?
Red lentil pasta.
Okay, lovely. Trev's got?
I've got a feta cheese salad.
Okay. Very nice it is, Ted. Yeah. It's on the phone, I'm afraid, from now on. GoPro is toast.
Yeah.
Jam and a name.
Yeah. Good, isn't she?
Sue's just gone to ask if he can take the dogs on the train there. Sue's just checking out the trilbies for Trev.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's alright.
Very German.
I like the dogs.
Yeah, and just need the lederhosen there.
Take the mickey out of me, really.
There we go. Yeah. So we bought a few wines, some Riesling, recommended local wines, so that should be good. Yeah. Kellerstrasse. Yeah. Yeah. Lovely evening ride down by the river. Would have rather dumped you on the road, doesn't it? But want to go along the road a bit?
Yeah, we can, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Now this is the castle. Yeah. Let's have a look at this. Right, yeah, a bit of English. Hildegard of Bingen's outlook on life was shaped by the atmosphere of renewal and changes that were taking place during the High Middle Ages.
Yeah. So it's known as the Neiderberg Castle. It's one of the first castles to be erected in the Rhine Valley.
Okay.
Cube-like form.
Yeah. Okay. It's also locked. Yeah, there we are. Gotta be careful with the sun here, it's quite bright. Yeah. And just notice the cable cars up there.
Heard you want to leave this place where we grew up. This old town, just put it all behind. Remember you and I would always find somewhere to hide when we were kids, so we could see and hear the water run. The river's gonna cry when you're gone.
Yeah, just going to make our way back. Looks like there could have been a castle up there, a rocky outcrop.
Looks like there's a ruin of some sort.
Yeah. Boats that are going down with the tide are
Roaring down.
there, yeah.
This container ship's struggling.
Yeah. Yeah. It's probably doing about 2 knots.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Gone, 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 gone. River's gonna cry when you're. River's gonna cry when you're. River's gonna cry when you're gone. Hey, I was hoping you would stay, but I've always known that you would go. Find your own way. I still see when we climbed up in those trees, 12 years old, to feel the wind and watch the river run. And the sun would always shine when we sat there, you and I. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're. The river's gonna cry when you're. The river's gonna cry when you're gone. down, just leave it all behind. The river's gonna cry when you're gone.
Probably have to sell my house.
I was wondering what happened to the number plate when you folded it up. Did what? Search party?
Look for her. Just follow the river. How long will be gone for?
We haven't been that long, actually, from walking the dog.
Hello.
Amelia's hijacked her mum's phone. Trev. She's sending me.
512.
Right, so that's pitch 512.
Okay, that's the pitch number.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. 513. Okay, got it. 514. We can play volleyball later.